Hello, my name is Jim Olson and this is a video on using data from almost anywhere in various applications. For example, getting data from the internet and using it in Excel, Word, or TI-Nspire handheld software. Here I am at a web page on the internet with some temperatures from Des Moines. If I select this information in this table and copy it, and then move over to Excel, watch what happens if I just paste this into Excel. What it does is it puts all the data in one cell. That's not going to be in usable form. So instead, I do something different. What I can do is come up here to paste and hit this drop down arrow, and it's going to give me paste special. You can try out these examples here, but none of those look like they're going to work. I can go to paste special, and in this case it's going to work if I hit text. So now the data is each in an individual cell and I can utilize it. Here's another example of some data that I found on the internet. This time if I select the data and copy, and then come over to my spreadsheet. Once again, if I paste in the information, it's just going to put it into one cell. So I'm going to try what I did before. It's come up here to the paste drop down, and this time I do have paste special, but I don't think text is going to work. So text doesn't work that time. So let me show you an alternate strategy. If you hit the drop down on paste, you can use the text import wizard. This is a very nice tool. And here I'm going to be allowing my data to be delimited with characters such as commas or tabs. I hit next, and the delimiters, in other words, the things that are separating the pieces of data, might be semicolons or commas, or in this case, just spaces. And this is very nice because we have a data preview down here. And once the data preview looks pretty good, you can hit finish and it pops your data in there for you. So you might want to use your data here in Excel, but you also might want to paste it over into Word. So let's see how that might work. We're going to copy the data here with Control-C, and I'm going to go over to Word, and I'm going to paste it in here. And this is being pasted in as a table. We can't really see the table lines, so you might want to click this to select the table. Then come to your table tools. Let me slide this so you can see it. Right up here are the table tools. And if you go to Design, I can go ahead and put in the borders. I'm going to go ahead and put in all borders. And you can also change the column width if you want to make this a little more narrow, for example. So that's pasting in to Word. The next thing I'd like to do is show how I can paste my data into the TI-Nspire software. So let's go back to our spreadsheet. It might be that we want this data in a column. So what I'm going to use is the transpose command. I select my data, I copy my data, then I get my insertion point, and what I'd like that row of numbers to become is a column of numbers. So I come here to my paste drop down, and this time I'm going to go to paste special, and you'll notice that I have a transpose option right here, and it turns it into a column. Now I'm going to copy and paste it into the TI-Nspire software. Now I'm going to paste it into the TI-Nspire software. And now I have my data ready to use. The key to using data from one source and putting it in another is to use Excel as the go-between. Have a great day.